Okay, cool. So this is a video that I made on how to post to the WordPress blog. So I think most of you probably know this already, but I'm just doing this just to maybe clarify it further. So when you log in, you'll see a version of this site panel, and then you click on posts and then click on add new. So after clicking add new, you're going to come to a page like this. And then what you want to do is you want to click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so you click edit with Elementor. It'll take some time to load. And then you'll see a page like this. So basically, Elementor is kind of like Wix, where you can drag and drop various elements into it and it kind of populates. So what you want to do here is start with an image. So you drag an image over there, and then you can click this and then it'll upload from either from here. If you have an image already, then you can add that, or you can like simply upload a new image. So let's see, do we have any new images here? Okay, so I'm going to add a new image. So I'm going to add this. We also got to make sure that the images aren't heavy. So as you can see here, this is 958 KB, so it's not that heavy. So I'm going to select this. And there are a couple of details here. The first detail is that, well, first of all, the image, I actually should have renamed the image. Instead of making it 1-1 PNG, it should have been a keyword. .png, and by keyword I mean something like home cleaners Santa Ana or something like that. So I guess I'll make like a separate video of that, but just before you upload any images, make sure that you rename the image file to include a keyword in it, and the keywords are mentioned in the brief, so you can select any one of those keywords. So I'm going to demonstrate here what keywords to be added. So for example, I'm going to the brief and I'm going to select one of these keywords. Let's say, since this is an article about pet owners, so let's say deep cleaning services Los Angeles. Let's say that's the article, that's the keyword that we're working with. Okay, so I'm going to type here deep cleaning services for pet owners Los Angeles, California. And then you copy that, paste that here, paste that here, paste that here, like paste it everywhere. Okay, and then you hit select. And now that the image has populated. And now what I want to do is I want to add the some text to it, right? This is the text that you'll add from ChatGPT. So click this matrix over here and then click on text editor. So just click it and drag it into this part. And then you'll see something like this. And then you basically just copy paste the ChatGPT stuff from here. So let's say, let me go to ChatGPT. I'm going to type this command. So I'm going to edit the command to make it specific to the article. So this is just pet owners. So the ChatGPT command is pet owners. Pet owners in Los Angeles, LA, California. And then I'm gonna like delete the rest. And let's, oh, something went wrong. Okay, so ChatGPT is doing its thing. We also want to mention the special price that is $19 an hour for first time users. So we definitely want to include that in the ChatGPT command too. I forgot to mention it, but I'll update the brief to include that so you guys know about it. But hopefully if you're listening to this, you'll remember this. This serves as a reminder, hopefully. And another thing, so while this is working, another thing that we want to do is we also want to include a video from the YouTube channel. So what we do is okay, fine. So it's done. So we can like grab it from here. And then go back here. And basically what you do is you see the side panel over here. So you kind of basically paste it in the side panel. You paste it here. And then it kind of populates here. And then what you want to do is you want to hit Control A or select all and change the font size from 12 to 14. The reason we want to do that is because 14 it's better for SEO and for Google. You need like a bigger font size for it's a best practice. And we want to change it from Georgia, which is default, to Arial. So Arial is like an easier font to read. So now that we've kind of copy pasted this, the next thing is to click this thing over here and then select video and drag the video thing here. And then what you want to do is go to the YouTube channel, the GigoClean YouTube channel. So you can go to youtube.com. I'll include the GigoClean YouTube channel in the brief, so you guys can take a look at that. But you can just type GigoClean here, and that's another way to find it. And then click videos. You can use this. We don't have any pet videos, but you know, like any of these videos should be fine. The ones with the new artwork. So let's say, so let's use this. And then what we want to do is after putting that element here, you see this field over here. You click this field and just replace the link with the link that you copied from YouTube. And then like magic, it just populates over here. Okay. So then what we want to do is we then hit publish. Okay. When you're done. And then what we want to do is click this sandwich icon and click exit. Okay, so now we come back to the main page. Now this page, since we did not give it a title, we need to give it a title because otherwise it'll have this Elementor default name, which looks ugly and doesn't make any sense either. So what we're going to do is we're going to give this title of a using a keyword. So we're going to say on demand home cleaning for pet owners in Los Angeles, California. And then in the categories, we want to uncheck, uncategorize, and select blog. Okay. And then in the tags, you can select choose from most used tags. And you can either click all of these or you can just copy paste the tags from the brief. I think the copy pasting thing would make it easier rather than like clicking all of these one by one. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that just to kind of show you how easy it is. So I'm just basically going to select it from here. Select this and then click tags, paste it, and then then you're done with that. And then so that's like one part of it, and then the other part of it is basically the you gotta like add an image. So like featured image. So I think here I'll kind of change this to see if I can put this further up in the page so it's easier to find, but for the moment I'm going to select this, set that as a featured image, and then for the SEO part we want the focus keyword to be this. So this is the focus keyword, so we're just going to copy that. We're going to like paste that here in the focus keyword, and then in the slug, I don't know why it's called slug, but we're just going to paste that here as well. And then in the meta description, we're going to paste that too. So I think apparently this is too long and that's why it's showing a red line. So let's say, let's make that shorter and see if it changes. Home cleaning for pet owners. Yeah, no, it doesn't seem to be changing it. Let's see. Okay, maybe that. As far as the meta description goes, so on-demand home cleaning for pet owners in Los Angeles, California. Can add the rate $19 an hour, $19 an hour for your first cleaning. Download app to claim offer. Yeah, so you could kind of use that. As you can see there, this green bar tells you how much text you can type. So this is approximately how much text you can type. You can maybe type a few more keywords to see if it works. Let's see. With Gigo clean app. Yeah, so it became orange, so that it means like it's too many words. So let's delete some words. Yeah. Okay. So that's what we used. So I'm going to paste this in the meta description as well, just to help you guys. Put this here. Okay. And now we're ready to go. So we're going to click update. So when you update, as you can see here, the link has been updated from that 1234 generic thing to now this keyword, pet owners in Los Angeles. So this is the slug, I think, because yeah, pet owners in Los Angeles. Okay, that's cool. And yeah, so you're done. And basically, if you want to see it, then you go here, go to the website, you click on blog, and you let's refresh. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know why it's not appearing. It should appear, but I'll look into that. But yeah, this is basically where it will appear. Yeah. So that's about it.